KingBritneyChanel, and you're back on my SaeBritneyChanel channel, and I'm going to show you the updates on my staircase makeover. So if you like these sort of videos, go ahead and thumbs up the video, like, comment, and subscribe, share the video, and let's get started. Alright, you all, so here is where we left off. As you can see, the pony wall came down and the black spindles are like the ones that are like at the base of the stairs. So the spindles have been put in, everything is locked in, and so now you guys, the crown molding aspects of the space is going up, but also what else is going up is the accent wall pieces. So basically the boards for that are going to be put up. And you guys, we have seen this look before in my home, in my dining room, and also in my breakfast nook area. So that is the type of wall that is going to be in this particular space. And you can see the contractor like just nailing the molding in. But in this particular space, like I was saying, I want my staircase to be a showcase. I also showed you a staircase like this in a house tour that we viewed for inspiration. I told you guys that sometimes I go on house tours basically to get decoration or home decor inspiration. So that was a huge, like, me seeing a wall like that. I believe it was in like a townhome type of space. It was a luxury townhome. I decided to bring that in this space. So you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. The accent wall is just like the other two rooms in my house. But there's also a traditional accent wall, like a more traditional accent wall that I'm doing on the other side of the stairs. But you guys can see that it is coming a long way. Like, he's working, measuring stuff out, putting the boards in. And so at this point in time, everything is kind of like framed up for the accent wall. It's gonna look beautiful when the pure white, the bare pure white paint goes up. It's gonna look awesome. I'm gonna use like a scuff kind of resistant paint because this is the stairs, and I feel like, you know, people walk back and forth. As you can see, like, everything has to, you know, get sanded down and, you know, caulked and everything. But this is how it's looking on the stairs. Do y'all see how pretty that is and how much light it's gonna bring in? And look at all of like the intricate cuts and everything. So I'm just showing you like how it's being framed out and everything. But it's gonna look really, really nice when everything is all finished up and whatnot. So right here, y'all, is my traditional accent wall that's on the opposite side of the stairs. Now right here, I'm gonna go in where that white piece is, where it needs to be sanded and everything like that. I am going to paint this wall the same color that it is. Everything like that, the accents are not going to be white. Everything is going to be the same color. So you guys will see that in the next video when I do the unveiling for that. And then I'm just kind of showing you all how everything is looking. I love the aesthetic now in the space. Still have a little bit more to do, like, you know, picking out my lighting for this space, the staining. Today the caulking is happening, and so everything is going good, you guys. As far as the staircase remodel, I just wanted to show you guys the progress so far, and it's looking awesome. That's all gonna be that bare pure white. And just imagine, y'all, like the chandelier at the top. I'm so happy I got that popcorn ceiling stuff down. Yikes. It's just gonna be amazing. So stay tuned, you guys, for the next video, okay? Because we're getting closer and closer to the reveal okay, when all of the decor and stuff will be up and everything is the way it needs to be, like dream staircase. Stay tuned, you guys, and watch. Definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out my home decor playlist, and I will see you soon on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.